by the University of Urbino, the University of Villanova, Pennsylvania, and bp&a, financial advisor and partner equity markets of the Italian Stock Exchange. We are here today to discuss the status of the convergence process between the two major accounting standard sets, which are, of course, IAS, IFRS, and US GAAP. Because accounting standards nowadays represent the basis of every kind of financial analysis, which are particularly important for every kind of financial statements evaluation, and which are fundamentals today for finance executives and professionals. Because in order to understand every kind of transactions, in order to understand the basis and the profitability of every financial statement, of course, it is important to understand which accounting standards the financial statements are drawn up accordingly. And the convergence process today is a very complex issue that is being supported by both the IAS and the FASB institutions, which with the Norwalk Agreement signed in 2002 have agreed to work together, cooperate together in order to smooth differences and bring the two sets together or as close as possible. Today, major capital markets either permit or require IFRS, with the exception of the United States, for example, which has made very big progresses but has no formal intention to adopt entirely IFRS, with the exception of China and India, which are both at different speeds trying to adapt or converge their domestic standards into international financial reporting standards. And with the exception of also Japan, who has made some progresses forward, but still has to completely define the complete adoption of international financial reporting standards. So today we will discuss why this process is so complex, what the main difficulties still are, and what can be done in order to smooth this process and to really come to a very high quality and global set of international financial standards. I have the pleasure today to have here Professor Abramser from the University of Villanova, Pennsylvania. He flew all the way from the United States to be here with us today, so we're really thankful to him. He's a real expert on this issue, on this topic, and he has understood the importance of the implication of IFRS even in the complex US